In this video, we're going to cover how to access management reports on the Webtrieve website on desktop. Right here on the homepage, if you look up at the top level navigation, you're going to see the item Reports, and you can scroll down to Management Reports. Click that. The first option that's available to you is Condition History. So make sure Condition History is selected on this left-hand section over here. And you can search criteria by component type, make and model, month, quarter, unit, and year. We're going to select the company details by clicking the filter icon. You may also search by unit compartment type, make and model. Select the sampled between range, start date and end date. And then you can also select your preferred report format. There's a whole bunch of options here. I'm going to go with PDF. And then right here at the bottom, you can click Run Report to view your results. If you want to run a report for fluid age and condition, you can click this item right here on the left-hand side. You can select search criteria by compartment type, make and model, or unit. Select company details by clicking the filter icon. You may also search by unit, compartment type, make, or model. Select the sampled between date ranges, condition, and time on fluid. Next, you can select your sort by and report format preferences. And then at the bottom, click the blue Run Report button to view your results. If you want to review your report by turnaround time, select the turnaround time on the drop-down menu on the left-hand side. You can select search criteria by sampled between year or range. Again, select the company details by clicking the filter icon. Select the year, show transit time, and turnaround time criteria. Select your report format preference, and then at the bottom, click the blue Run Report button to view your results.